4026 Williams West is the address. This is a shared sewer line with 4030 Williams West. Date is July 19th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the 4-inch diameter cast iron cleanout underneath the utility sink in the basement of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City main right now, flowing by out in the middle of the road out on Williams. We're going to come back from here and get a look at the sewer line. Again, shared between this home and the home directly north of us. Coming back, minor root intrusion down the, I think this was recently cleaned, right? So we cleaned, yeah, we cleaned this, so these roots are all cut back all the way. 6-inch diameter concrete line. So 6-inch diameter sewer. Every 2 feet or so, there's a seam in the pipe. That's just where the 2 sections of pipe are pushed together, and that's where the roots come through. Because there's no glue, there's no gasket, there's nothing holding it in there, other than just 2 pieces of pipe sitting inside each other. So that's where you get the root intrusion from. The trees find a source of nutrients down there, and they just kind of go to town, and then they get these big balled up sections of roots that don't allow sewage to pass through.
How long should you, or how often should you blast those roots? Or is it dependent on?
It depends on the house. Every house is different. But still 6-inch diameter line coming back here. Let me pull my map up so we can track along. 4,020. Okay, first landmark should kind of be, there's a set of downspouts. One coming off of 4030 and the other one coming off of this home that connect to this line. And there would be downspout 1 on the right side of the screen. You can kind of see a little opening of darkness. That's where the water comes in off of their storm drains.
Okay. And
the left side of the screen is where your downspouts, and I believe the driveway drain, come in.
Okay.
The downspouts on the left side of the home, if you're the right side of the home, if you're looking at the front of it. Next stop should be one more downspout connection off of 4026. And I'm not entirely sure that any of these are still active. I saw a rain barrel system outside. So there's our 4026 other downspout connection. Again, not knowing if we're active right now and actually using those. So we come around this final turn now. This is going to get us back into the personal line of 4026. So that entire stretch is shared. As we come back out, this is your sewer line, and this is that kind of separating connection. There's a small gap between the pipes, starting to form. So the 2 chunks of pipe are moving, have moved or shifted over time to where they're not 100% sealed and close together. So over time, that shifting will
continue.
Yes, because as some of the water, every time you flush the toilet, every time you're running water, a little bit of it's seeping out and it's eroding the dirt around there. And so it's allowing more room for that pipe to wiggle and shift. And as it allows that, eventually the pipe,
it'll
a series of times it shifts and it kind of sinks down. And then that's where your backups happen. So this is located about 9 feet deep, directly under a rain barrel near the front door of the home. I've already located that. Coming back.
Oh, sorry. That's where
I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you what it's at. And then coming back now into cast iron. This is underneath the foundation of the home, so we're back kind of inside the house now, if you will. Running under the floor of the basement here, and then we're going to pop out any second. There is the clean out I'm making this recording from. I'm going to end our recording there.